the Trump administration in telling immigration carry your paper here what to the now?
Amid the Trump administration's ongoing crackdown on illegal immigration, the nation's Immigration Service is warning immigrants to carry their green card or visa at all times. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services posted the reminder July 23rd on social media. Always carry your alien registration documentation. Not having these when stopped by federal law enforcement can lead to a misdemeanor and fines. Here's what immigrants and American citizens need to know. Carrier papers law isn't new. The law requiring lawful immigrants and foreign visitors to carry their immigration documents.
Immigration and Nationality Act states every alien 18 years of age and over small at all times carry with him and have in his personal professional any certificate of alien registration on alien registration receipt card issued to him. But the law had rarely been imposed before the Trump administration announced early this year.
The carrier papers portion fell out of use for cultural and historical reasons, said Michelle Lapointe, legal director of the nonprofit American Immigration Council. In contrast to the Soviet bloc at the time the requirement was written, we have never been a country where you have to produce evidence of citizenship on demand from law enforcement. In a Know Your Rights presentation, the ACLU cautions immigrants over age 18 to follow the law and carry your papers with you at all times. If you don't have them, the ACLU says, tell the officer that you want to remain silent or that you want to consult a lawyer before answering any questions. A precious document at risk. Many immigrants preferred to hold their green card or visa in safekeeping because, like a passport, they are expensive and difficult to obtain. Historically, it was a little risky for people to carry these precious documents such as green card because there is a hefty fee to replace it and they are at risk of not having proof of status, a precarious position to be in, Lapointe said. But as immigration enforcement has ramped up, the risks of not carrying legal documents have grown. Failure to comply with the law can result in a $100 fine or imprisonment of up to 30 days.
Twets.
Immigration enforcement and racial profiling. U.S. citizens aren't required to carry documents that prove their citizenship. But in an environment of increasing immigration enforcement, Fernando Garcia, executive director of the nonprofit Border Network for Human Rights in El Paso, Texas, said he worries about U.S. citizens being targeted. With massive raids and mass deportation, this takes a new dimension, he said. How rapidly are we transitioning into a show-me-your-paper state? The problem is there are a lot of people, Mexicans or Central Americans, who are U.S. citizens who don't have to carry anything, but they have the burden of proof based on racial profiling, he said. There are examples of U.S. citizens being arrested already, based on their appearance and their race. American citizens targeted by ICE. The Trump administration's widening immigration crackdown has already netted American citizens. In July, 18-year-old Kenny Lainez, an American citizen, was detained for 6 hours by Florida Highway Patrol and Border Patrol agents. He was later released. Federal agents also detained a California man, Angel Pina, despite his U.S. citizenship in July. He was later released. Elzin Limuz, a 23-year-old U.S. citizen from Long Island, New York, decried his arrest by ICE agents in June after he was released. In a video of the arrest, immigration agents demand Limuz show ID, with one explaining he looks like somebody we are looking for. In updated guidance, attorneys at the firm of Masuda, Funay, Eifert, and Mitchell, which has offices in Chicago, Detroit, and Los Angeles, advise U.S. who are concerned about being stopped and questioned to carry a U.S. passport card or a copy of their U.S. passport as evidence of U.S. citizenship.